Hello everybody, I hope you're well. My name is Lee. Welcome to the Zelter Shelter channel. I'm the founder and creator of Zelter as a brand and inventor of this unique new wearable shelter system that you see behind me here. So yeah, I just thought I'd take this moment to give you a brief introduction to myself, to the product, to the brand, and let you know a bit about where we're coming from and what we're doing, really. Created a new concept in personal shelter here with the Zelter Shelter. It's a new inflatable freestanding tent tarp that's also wearable. We created a simplified non-wearable version. That's just the tent tarp features. It's a little bit lighter, a little bit smaller. Not everybody wants to wear the tent, you know what I'm saying? It's inflatable, so you don't need poles or ropes. It's just freestanding and self-supporting. The material is waterproof, the material is breathable. It's made to excellent quality standards, so that's a good thing. We've got new projects in the pipeline here to create a new product like this, to make it with new materials, new technology, to make these things better and in interesting ways. I'm not going to tell you too much. You're going to have to stay tuned. The origins of the Zelter Shelter came about years ago. It's based on my experiences in wild camping, survival training, stealth camping, where I grew up back in Western Canada. We'd use tents, tarps, plastic sheets, parachutes, tree boughs, slept in a tree. All these things were fun. They did the trick. You got wet, you got cold, you sliding around. Some of it wasn't cool, but it was all formative experiences. So years later, as a designer, I thought, these are worthwhile problems, these are formative experiences. I'm gonna use all my industrial design expertise to solve these problems, see if I can come up with something better to beat everything that I've worked on in the past. And that's what we've done here with the Zelter Shelter. So that's where that came from. Right, we've got projects on the go now, working with Innovate UK and a few other interesting partners to use new technology and new materials to make these things and future products better. Yeah, we're gonna keep it interesting, so you better stay tuned. There's a lot of cool stuff out there, and I intend to beat it. Zelter as a brand is going to be getting into the following kind of product right now. We're already working on shelter. We've got a couple of interesting shelter concepts getting worked out here and available now. We've got a couple new ones in the pipeline. Cool stuff for you to find out. We're also going to get into things that you used to carry. So let's talk about bags, backpacks, wearable stuff like load bearing, and also apparel. Of course, we all like cool clothes. I like making cool stuff. I like wearing cool stuff. I want to make cool stuff. So at risk of going on for too long, Zelter's about the following: shelter, carry, wear. Stay tuned and see how things go. We're going to use this YouTube channel here to talk about our progress as a startup, talk about the product, and introduce our process to you a little bit more. There's going to be a lot more to come, so stay tuned. If you like what we're up to, give us a subscribe, like, comment. This is the same stuff you're hearing every day. Anyway, yeah, we're going to be up to some good, worthwhile stuff, so stay tuned. Once again, this is Lee from Zelter. Talk to you again soon. Thanks, bye.